Stretch your legs. Keep your feet together. We'll begin with some practices for our joints and by the side of your body together. Now, as breathe in, the calf muscles, your gap. Take your toes as close to the floor, just as an intimacy. And gently bring your toes back to your body. Feel the stretch below your legs, especially to your calf. Stretch and in. Practice up to 10 counts. Forward and backward is one round. Close your eyes. Back straight. Continue. आंखें बंद और पूरा ध्यान पांव की तरफ. All these practices prevent arthritis, joint pain, improve circulation in these joints. Complete your stairs. Right leg. Place your right palm under your right knee. Back straight. Take your knee up closer to your abdomen or chest and gently press it down. 2 and down. 3 down. थोड़ा सा जोर लगाएंगे. 4 5. Open up your pelvic joint, which supports your uterus. When you practice the last round, try to maintain slightly longer. Take it up, maintain. 5 4 3 2 1. Up and down. Try to maintain. Closer to the floor. 5 4 3 2 1. Gently release right leg. You may find one part of the body more flexible than the other. 4. Left hand under your knee. Take it up and down. 2 down. 3. Nicely press it down. नीचे की तरफ अच्छे से दबाइए. 4 down. 5 down. 6 down. 7 down. Down. Last time. Up and maintain. Maintain slightly. Press your side of your abdomen with your thigh. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes if you can. And now gently press your knee down. Take it closer to the floor. Feel the stretch to your groin region, the pelvic joint. Release. Just relax. Sit in a cross leg. Now, those of you got lower back pain, just do a gentle forward bend. बिल्कुल धीरे से आगे की ओर झुक. Others. Stretch your hands up. Now, breathing out, stretch forward. This practice is for your waist, your abdomen. Slide your hands forward. Please keep your device in a muted mode. Walk your hands to your right side, just the right side. Slowly. Feel the stretch on the left side, oblique muscles. Come to the center. Take your hands as much to your left. Practice. Few rounds. Walk your hands to your right side. Walk your hands to your left. Continue the practice. 4-5 बार करना है. Stretch. Go down. Practice. Last 2 rounds. Complete your practice both the sides. Stretch your legs. Now fold your right leg. Fold your leg. Keep your left leg straight. Now hand behind. Right hand behind. Now stretch your left hand up. And see if you can catch your right ankle joint like this. And gently twist your spine. Try to look over your right shoulder. अगर मुश्किल लगता है, catch your knee like this. If you find it difficult, hold on to your knee like this. The correct practice is to catch your right ankle joint from outside. Gives a good massage to your abdominal organs, especially your abdominal organs, especially good practice for preventing diabetes. Check. Rinse right leg. Change. Keep your right leg straight, fold your left leg. Keep your left hand behind. Stretch your right hand and touch your left ankle joint. Change, twist to your left side. Try to bring your left foot closer to your right thigh. Release. Sitting across the toes. Keep your palms on each other. It's like distance between your palms. This practice is in your shoulders, elbows parallel to the floor. Start breathing and very, very gently. Jitna dheere. Synchronize the whole practice breathing. Stretch your arms out. Close your eyes. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे बिना कुछ जल्दी किए. Expand your chest. Keep your hands firm. Breathing out gently, bring your hands back to the center. We practice 5 rounds. Start breathing in, gently stretch your arms out. Feel you're strengthening your lungs, expand your chest fully. Continue the practice 3 more rounds. आंखें बंद and visualize your practice. अपने practice को अपने मन में देखिए. Last 2 rounds. कोशिश करेंगे आंखें बंद. It's difficult to see everyone, so just try to practice with your eyes closed. Feel the pressure building around your shoulders, your neck. One last time. Try to hold slightly longer with normal breathing. Complete your practice. Just relax. Just close your eyes. Now press with the right palm, press your right shoulder. Press a little down. With your left palm, close your right ear leg. Right हाथ shoulder के ऊपर, left palm on your right ear. Gently bend your head to your right side. Your right shoulder down. Keep your breathing on. Release all stiffness from your neck, your shoulders, your upper back. So these are simple practices to relax your muscles. Chest. Left shoulder, press it down. Right palm over your left ear. Gently bend your head to your right side. Feel the stretch on the left side of your neck. Close your eyes. Aankhein band. Change one more time. Right हाथ से right shoulder. दाहिना हाथ दाहिना shoulder पे. Right hand, right shoulder. Chandrikanti, right hand, right shoulder. Left हाथ, right ear. Gently bend your head towards your left side. Feel the stretch on the right side of your neck. Change. Try to press your left shoulder down. Release. Now, if you experience severe pain in the knees during the practice, just lie on your. You're going to do a different backward bend practice. Fold your right leg like this. Stretch your left leg straight. See like left leg goes like. Fold your right leg. Stretch your left leg in line with your body. It may be slightly difficult for some of you. Keep it as in line with your body as much as you can. Keep your hand by the side. मुश्किल लगता है पेट के बल लेट जाइए. Do our regular backward bending. Bhujangasana, Purna Bhujangasana. Stretch. Rupa, look straight. Keep your hands like this. If you find it very difficult, please lay on your abdomen. Do our regular practice. Yeah. Keep your hands like this. Keep your head up and back. Just maintain. Keep your breathing normal. Head up and back. Feel a gentle stretch to your left thigh. Now breathe in and gently go down. Take your spine forward. Feel the pressure on the element as it presses against your thighs. Take your forehead closer to the floor. And don't worry if you are not able to reach the floor. Again. Come up and back. Breathe in, stretch forward. अगर नहीं जमती है ये प्रैक्टिस तो पेट के बल लेट जाइए. खाली नहीं बैठना है. प्लीज do not waste your time. Just do any other backward bending. पेट के बल लेट जाइए और बाकी कोई प्रैक्टिस करिए. Breathing out, stretch forward. Last 2 rounds on your own. अपने आप करेंगे. Back. Breathe in, stretch forward. Come up. One last time. Release. Now keep both your hands on your right knee like this. And gently turn your left side. Look at your left heel. You may get a stretch around your waist, stretch around your left thigh. Release. And now we do on the other side. Just it's a difficult practice. Use a good stretch to your thigh, to your waist, to your abdomen. Change. Fold left leg, stretch your right leg. Try to keep it. I'm so sorry. I should have changed the side of this. Take your head up and back. Just feel the pressure at the lower back. Now breathe in, shwas chote hue. As you breathe out, change. Come up. Practice 4 more rounds. Breathe in, shwas chote hue. As you breathe out, stretch. Keep your forehead closer to the floor. Feel the pressure on the left side of your abdomen. Come up. Breathe in. Last 2 rounds. श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे. One last time. Try to maintain slightly longer. Breathe in, go down. Take your forehead a little closer to the floor if you can. Place both your hands on your left knee, your right side. Turn your body. Look at your right heel. You may get a stretch around your waist, your abdomen. Twist. Release. Lie on your back. Relax for some time. Just relax. Close your eyes. We'll practice Tadasana. Feet together. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands behind. Stretch your toes in a forward direction. Give a good stretch to your abdominal muscles. हाथ पीछे, पाँव के पंजे आगे की ओर. Close your eyes. One of the best practices to again strengthen your joints from your toes to your fingertips. Keep your breathing normal. Let your feet be together. Gently breathe in, and as you breathe out, bring your hands by the side of your body. Second round. Stretch your hands behind. Interlock your fingers. Palms either facing your body or outward. Stretch. Unlock your fingers. Breathing out, gently bring your hands back. श्वास छोड़ते हुए हाथ वापस बॉडी के साइड में. Last round. Stretch your hands behind. Palms facing the floor. हथेलियां जमीन की ओर. छोटी उंगलियां नजदीक. Little finger touching each other. पाँव के पंजे आगे की ओर. Toes pointing forward. Little fingers touching each other. Just close your eyes. Breathe in. Gently bring your hands to the side of your body. Release. And we'll practice spinal twist pose. For legs in the knees. Keep your hands in line with your shoulders. Feet together, knees together. पाँव मिले हुए, घुटने मिले हुए. Breathe in, breathing out. Gently bend your knees to your right side. This is the basic practice, the simplest of all practices. Utthana Vakrasana. Turn your face to your left. Come to the center. Knees to your left. Face to your right. Practice 2 more rounds, right side, face to your left. पहले घुटनों को bend करेंगे, then चेहरे को opposite side. Come to the center. First bend your knees to your left and your face to your right. Last time, right side. Face to your left. Now come to the center. जिनको lower back में pain है, continue with the same practice. इसी practice को repeat करिए. Others, bring your knees closer to your abdomen like Pavanamukta. पाँव को उठा लीजिए. Your feet up. Knees closer to your abdomen like Pavanamukta. Breathe in. Now chin, bend your knees to your right side. Keep your right foot on the floor. Feel a little more stretch to your spine. Turn your face to your left. घुटने जमीन पर, चेहरा right side, left side. Sorry. Slowly. Bring your knees closer to your abdomen. Knees to your left. Try to bring your left foot, left knee closer to the floor. Touch the floor if you can. Face to your right. 2 more rounds. Knees to your right. Right knee in the floor. Face to your left. Center, knees to your left. Face to your right. One last time. Right side. To your left side. Come to the center. Release your legs. Just relax. practice Ardha Pavanamukta. We practice the slight variation. अगर घुटनों में दर्द महसूस करते हैं, switch over to the regular practice, which is fold your knee and interlock your fingers either from above your knees or under your knees. Your right leg up. Now fold. Now catch your foot like this. Right हाथ ऊपर से, left हाथ नीचे. Catch your right ankle joint with your right hand from up. Left foot, place it under your right foot, closer to your toe. Feel the stretch below your thigh. Slight pressure to the side of your abdomen. Any discomfort to your neck, don't take your head up. Just maintain. गर्दन में दर्द है, गर्दन नहीं उठाना है. Breathe in, gently raise your head up. Bring your forehead closer to your right foot. Head down. Second round. Breathe in. Gently raise your head up. Down. One last round. Raise your head up. Try to bring your foot closer to your forehead, forehead closer to your foot. Throw the peak पे, side of the abdomen, a little more pressure. Release. Release right leg, wait for some. Shake. Take your leg up. Fold, catch your ankle. Left hand on your right hand from under your foot. पहले पांव को सही तरीके से पकड़ लीजिए. हाथ नीचे से, एक हाथ ऊपर से. Raise your head up. चंद्रिका आंटी पांव को पकड़िए, दोनों हाथ से पांव पकड़ना है, घुटने पर नहीं हाथ. Try to maintain few breaths longer. Feel the pressure of the side of your abdomen. Stretch under your thigh. When you complete your 3 rounds, release your hands. Just relax. We practice Setu Bandhasana, our regular practice. Hold your legs in the knees. Bring your hands as close to your heels. हाथ बिल्कुल heels के नजदीक. Keep your head in line with your body. Start breathing in, raise your hips up. Feel the pressure to the lower back and lower abdomen. Plus or hips up. Raise your hips up a little more up, a little more than you can. Down. Second round. Raise your hips up. Stretch your hands behind. Nicely. Once your hips are up, raise your hips up. Stretch your hands behind. थोड़ा सा और hips up. Down.
Behind where, Chitra?
Yes, raise, stretch your hands behind.
Behind
like
where?
just behind your head.
Oh.
Raise your hips up, stretch your hands along the ground. I have a little less space. Just raise your hips up, stretch your hands behind. Let's go. Stretch your hands behind your head along the ground. Slow. release. One more time. Raise your hips up. Bring your feet a little closer to your body. Stretch your hands behind. Raise your heels up. Raise your heels up. Try to bring your feet a little closer to your body. Raise your chest a little closer to your chin. So variations that you can do with this practice to strengthen your lower back. A good practice for your thyroid glands. It gives a gentle pressure to your neck muscles. Just maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Hips down. Stretch your legs. Bring your hands down. Just relax. And now practice leg raises. You can practice with both the legs. First, practice few rounds with one leg up at a time. Support your lower back. Half hips ke niche. Support your lower back so that you don't injure your back. And if you're very comfortable, we'll do a slightly different practice. If you're practicing with both the legs, take your legs up to 90 degrees. You can place your hands, interlock your fingers at the back of your neck. Now, cross your right leg, cross your left at the ankle joint. Right leg cross your left at the ankle joint. Gently raise your head up. Bring your right elbow towards your left side. Bring your neck center. Cross left across left foot across your right. Raise your head up. Left elbow towards your right. Down. Any discomfort to your lower back, please practice with only one leg up at a time. When you cross your left leg over your right, bring your left elbow towards the right side. Then bring your leg to the center, right leg over your left at the ankle joint, right elbow to your left side. Gently raise your head up. Just relax. If you're tired, just relax. Bring your leg, do it slowly. Once you get the rhythm, you can do it slightly faster. Yes. Change your leg at the ankle joint and raise the same elbow towards the opposite side and gently raise your head up. Then cross the other leg, raise the elbow to the opposite side, gently raise your head up. And just relax. Once you're done with the practice, release and relax. Just to complete your practice, stretch your legs. Just stretch your legs. Keep some distance between your legs. With this practice, few rounds of deep abdominal breathing to relax the lower back. Practice को complete कर लीजिए. Close your eyes. Keep some distance between your legs. As you breathe in, feel your abdomen rise up, and breathing out, gently feel your abdomen go in into your spine. Breathing in, the abdomen rises up, and very, very slowly feel the abdomen go in. श्वास लेते हुए पेट ऊपर और बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ते हुए पेट पूरी तरह से अंदर. Keep attention on this rise and fall of the abdomen each time you breathe in and breathe out. Stop it, resting. Turn to one side. Take the support of your hands. Gently sit up. If you want, you can stretch your legs. You can sit on a chair. Just be comfortable. Keep your back straight. You can keep your hands on your knees or by the side of your body. This way, your spine is in the natural way. We're going to practice Kapalbhati, a practice to cleanse your body through your breath. Close your eyes. Maintain a medium pace, neither too fast nor too slow. Take a deep breath in. Stop. gently stop your practice. Wait for your breathing to become normal. Now, gently close your right nostril with your thumb. First two fingers at the eyebrow center, the index and the middle fingers at the eyebrow center. Keep your left hand in mudra. Tip of your thumb and index finger together. Place it on your left knee. Now, without any sound, breathe into left nostril with your ring finger. Keep both the nostrils closed. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently open right nostril. Breathe out complete. Breathe through right. Close right nostril with your thumb. Keep both the nostrils closed. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently open left. Breathe out. Just complete one round. Continue the practice. Breathe in through left. Left nostril is closed. Hold your breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open right. Breathe out. Breathe in through right. Close right nostril. Hold your breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left. Breathe out. Continue the practice few more rounds. Mentally count up to 7. Practice last round. Once you complete your practice, open your feet on your knees, palms facing the sky. We'll chant the sound Akara. It's an energizing sound. Keep attention to your knee region as you chant this mantra or the sound. Take a deep breath in. Relax your abdomen. Breathe in. practice last round. Breathe in. Okay. Open your eyes. Please lie on your abdomen. Spread your legs. Keep your forearms like this. From your fingertips to your elbows. Yeah. Keep your elbows down. Usha, keep your elbows on the floor. Try to keep your elbows down. Don't lift your elbows. We're not practicing. We're going to do pranayamic practice. Keep elbows down. Close your eyes. Spread your legs. Just bring attention to your breathing. We're going to practice Bhramari Pranayama. The humming bee pranayama, which relaxes your nervous system. It induces better sleep. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last round. Breathe in. Now, gently hold your fingers and place your finger on your knuckles and place them under your chin like. Join the joints of your fingers. So knuckles both just under your chin like. We're going to repeat the practice of Bhramari Pranayama. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last round. Keep your hands in fists like this. हाथों की मुट्ठी बना लीजिए. Make fists of your hands. Place them on each other. Place your chin on your fists like. Keep Keep comfort distance between your legs, toes relaxed. We'll repeat the practice. Breathe in. Last round. Last practice. Keep palms on each other. Keep your forehead on your palms. हथेलियां एक के ऊपर एक, आपका माथा हथेलियों के ऊपर. We'll repeat Bhramari Pranayam. Take a deep breath in. Last round. 21 side. Just relax for a few seconds. Turn to one side. Hold hands in Namaskar Mudra. We'll end the class with the Shanti part. Chant with me or say vibrations of the prayer. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Dukkha Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshiyamapat. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Do palming 3 times. Thank you and see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Everybody a big bye. Yes.
Bye, Chitra.
Bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye.